Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can remove background of any photo in any iPhone. You guys can see here, this is my iPhone 13 Pro, and let's assume this photo is a normal photo and I would like to remove the background of this photo. Like this one, I have created a PNG file with the black transparent background. So how you can do that? In order to remove background, what you have to do, just simply long press on any of the photo. This trick is going to work only on the iOS 17 devices. So just long press on the photo which you want to remove the background, just let me, and there you go, and it will just give you the highlighted sketch of the photo which the background will be removed. So now just click on copy, and after copying just jump to the notes, and in the notes just long press on this one, long press, or just give a tap and just tap on paste button here. After clicking on paste, your photo will be copied here. So now just open the photo, tap on this arrow icon, click on save image, and this photo will be saved into your photos app here, which will be in a PNG format. So that's the simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much guys. Share this video with your friends and hit on like button. Thank you.